Looking for a budget-friendly laptop that doesn't compromise on performance? Look no further than the Acer Aspire Lite 14. In this in-depth review, we'll take a closer look at its design, features, and overall value. Today, we'll be reviewing the Acer Aspire Lite 14, a 14-inch laptop powered by an Intel Core i3-N300 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. This laptop offers a great balance of performance and portability, making it suitable for a wide range of users. For design and build quality, the Acer Aspire Lite 14 sports a sleek and modern design with a slim profile and a comfortable keyboard layout. The all-plastic construction keeps the weight down, making it easy to carry around. While the plastic build might not be as premium as metal laptops, it feels sturdy and durable enough for everyday use. The hinges are tight and secure, ensuring the screen stays in place without wobbling. The laptop offers a decent selection of ports including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack. There's also a micro SD card slot for expanding storage. The 14-inch display is a good size for both work and entertainment. The resolution is sufficient for most tasks, but it might not be as sharp as higher resolution panels. The display offers decent color accuracy and brightness, making it suitable for web browsing, watching videos, and live photo editing. However, it might not be ideal for professional graphic design or video editing. The viewing angles are decent, but the screen can appear a bit ways out when viewed from extreme angles. Let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard has a comfortable layout and a decent typing experience. The keys are well spaced and have a good amount of travel. However, some users might find the keystroke feel a bit soft. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures. It's generally reliable for navigation and scrolling. Talking about the performance, the Intel Core i3-N300 processor is a budget-friendly option that provides adequate performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and light multitasking. The 8GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking and prevents performance bottlenecks. The 512GB SSD offers ample storage for your files, applications, and operating system. It also provides faster boot times and load times compared to traditional hard drives. The integrated Intel graphics are suitable for basic tasks like watching videos and playing casual games. However, you won't be able to run demanding games or graphics-intensive applications. And here we are talking about battery life. The Acer Aspire Lite 14 comes with a decent-sized battery that can provide several hours of battery life on a single charge. The exact battery life will depend on your usage patterns and screen brightness. The laptop supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when you're on the go. For my experience on testing the speaker quality, the speakers are decent for a laptop, providing clear sounds for music, movies, and videos. However, they might lack the bass and volume of external speakers. And finally, we are talking about the upgradability, RAM and storage. The RAM is soldered to motherboard, making it difficult to upgrade. However, the SSD can be replaced with a larger capacity drive. What I have tell you or show you about the performance and everything about this laptop. Finally, the question, who should buy it? 1. Student and budget-conscious user. The Acer Aspire Lite 14 is a great option for students and budget-conscious users who need a reliable laptop for everyday tasks. 2. Light users. If you primarily use your laptop for web browsing, document editing, and streaming videos, this laptop will meet your needs. 3. For casual gamers. While not suitable for demanding games, the Acer Aspire Lite 14 can handle casual games like League of Legends or CSGO at lower settings. Last but not least, creative professional. While the Acer Aspire Lite 14 isn't a powerhouse for demanding creative tasks like video editing or professional graphic design, it can still handle basic photo editing and video playback. And here I have some additional points for you. For terminal performance, the Aspire Lite 14 generally handles heat well, even under moderate loads. However, it might get slightly warm during intensive tasks. The built-in webcam is suitable for basic video calls and online meetings, but it might not offer the best image quality. The laptop comes with a clean installation of Windows with minimal pre-installed bloatware. Overall, the Acer Aspire Lite 14 is a solid choice for budget-conscious users who need a reliable and portable laptop. It offers a good balance of performance, features, and value, making it a great option for students, light users, and casual gamers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop that offers good performance and portability, the Acer Aspire Lite 14 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions about this laptop or other devices, feel free to leave a comment below.